Hello everyone, I have been working on a new touch probe for my bigger machine, but I just wanted to test it out on this one first because it's super cold in the garage. I just wanted to show what I've done. I've got this little magnetic connector I made from a USB charger, and take a look at the control. So when I unplug it, you can see the G31 switch lights up, meaning the connection is broken. But if I plug it on, the connection is closed. I can touch the tip and you can see it registers. So I just wanted to test probing this bolt head because I know it's usually worked with my other probes. So I've already made my program, my simple probe routine. Let's give it a shot. And what it does is it centers over the head perfectly. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to using this thing.